Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to do caricature in Canva. It's quite simple and direct, so let's get going. So first, let's just choose a template to start creating our design. Let's just choose the IG story template here. Then on the left panel, click on Apps. Then in the search bar, type Caricature. Then click on Caricature Maker once it appears. Then just click on this one. After that, click on Open. Then you just have to put a prompt here, or you can even type a name of a famous person. So for this tutorial, let me just input a prompt here. Then click on Generate Caricature. Then just wait for it until it finishes generating. And that's it, you already have a caricature here. You can edit or adjust the image however you want. Just click share and download to save it to your computer. And that wraps it up. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.